I'm going to try to do a quick video here on how I use the app if I'm going to use it. Now, I don't normally use my phone, so bear with me. So I'll go into YouTube, go into the plus here. We have it set up for live. And then we're going to hit the little pencil here. And then you could set up your stuff here. So I'm just going to go here. I'm going to change this to just quick test. Now, oh wow, spelling is ridiculous lately. Now, I don't know if this is when you end the stream or during the stream, but lately I've been going here and making that public. Not for kids. Invite guests. I'm not doing that. Add a description. Just a quick test. Or just a test. All right. That should be there. And I think this is one that someone was asking a question about, where is schedule for later. You turn that little tick on, you click on it, and now you could schedule it. So let's say I'm going to do it for today. I'm going to hit OK. It is 10:44 a.m. here now. So I'm going to change this to 10:55. 55. All right. Okay. Next. Not for kids. Next. And now it's just waiting for me to go live. Now, I'm not sure if I could just hit it and say go live or I have to wait till the time, but I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And, you know, from here, if you want, you can flip the camera. I'm going to leave it this way. Still had the next button here, so I'm going to hit next just for shits and giggles. Oh, no. All right, so it's already scheduled. So now, if I take a look, I would think it would be scheduled. Where would it be? I normally don't use my phone. Maybe I got to go to my videos. Yep, and here it is. So it's basic networks and stuff, yada, yada, yada. It's scheduled. It's just waiting for me to go live. Now, I'm guessing if I wanted to go live, I would just come back here. I have the live. It looks like I have a little one at the top there. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on that where it says quick test. And there it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit live because I don't want to wait. And now we're live. So I'm going to go ahead and check on YouTube to see if I even got a notification. I'm on YouTube under my other account. And I find it interesting when I don't get notifications. Okay, I did. I'm going to switch the camera here. So I did get a notification, but it's actually under the bell. I don't see anything up here, but that's fine. I'm going to go in here, mute that, and there we are. So we are live. And that was just a quick video on scheduling a live. Pretty sure there's more to it. I don't know if you could add a thumbnail and everything at the same time. I could do it with the software that I use, which, just to let you see what I'm using to record this video. So I am live, but I'm also recording the little demo thing. So I got all this little goofy stuff going on over here. So, all right, that is it. Like I said, this was just a quick little test. I'm doing a recorded video on how to go live with your phone scheduling. Since I don't normally do it, I was just pushing buttons and trying to figure it out. And yeah, I did start the video before the schedule, but yeah, I'm not a very patient person. So that's going to be it for this video. In the recording, I'll have all the details and everything of what I'm doing that I'll try to post in a few. But now I'm going to stop this recording or this live. I'm going to hit the X right here. This is, are you sure you want to end the stream? Yep. I'm going to end it. And then it's going to give you like your little stats and everything here, which I find this interesting because in a vertical video, the stats are normally pretty high and everything. But again, this is just a test, a little demo. I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And now I'm showing 2 videos. So it's weird because this one's named differently than this one. We'll just have to let them process, do whatever they're going to do. Ustream does its own little thing. I mean, Ustream was an older platform. YouTube does its own little thing. I don't normally try to pay attention to it. And that's going to be it for this video.